Hi again. All right, so for our last thing today, we're going to do two papers because both of them go with math, okay? Now, just like we've been doing to start our math time every day, we're going to do a little counting. Now, today, instead of counting by ones all the way to 100, we're just going to practice counting by 10 and counting by 5. So get ready. Shake it out a little bit, shake both hands out. Now remember, if we put both of our hands up and we count all of our fingers, we'll have 10 fingers, okay? So every time we put up 10, that tells our brain, oh, we've counted by 10, okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Now remember, one hand has how many fingers? That's right, it has 5. So when we're counting by 5, we can tell our brain that we're counting by 5 by holding up one hand. And I think today we're going to send them wiggling up to space, okay? So count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. I'm proud of you for doing it with me. I know it seems weird, but you're doing a great job. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to talk about where we put things. And that seems very strange, doesn't it? But we have special words that we use when we're putting things places. Sometimes we use the word in between, or on top of, or beside, or under. Those are called position words, okay? So today we're going to practice using those words. Okay, just like I said in the last video, you're going to need this paper and some scissors. So if you haven't grabbed those yet, go ahead and grab them. Remember, you can pause the video if you need to, okay? Okay, so now if you have your scissors, this is what I want you to do, okay? You're going to take your scissors. Do you cut hair? No. Do you cut clothes? No. Only this paper, okay? And you're going to cut, okay, along the bottom, straight across, okay? All right, so now you have your picture, okay? And you have your paper, okay? So what you're gonna do, okay, is you're gonna need to be able to cut these little pictures apart, okay? So right now, what I want you to take the time to do is trim, okay, around the dotted line, okay? Now you'll notice I left some at the top. That's okay if you do that, okay? Now, there are how many pictures here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So you're gonna cut those pictures apart. 1 picture, 2 pictures, 3 pictures, 4 pictures, and this last cut is going to give us the last 2, okay? All right. All your cutting should be done. If not, pause the video, finish your cutting, and then play again, okay? All right, now let's read this paper together. The first thing says, for number 1, put the sun between the trees. Between the trees. Well, let me just ask you, would this box be between the trees? No, probably not. What about this one? Maybe, maybe. What about this one? I think that looks the most between the trees, doesn't it? Because it's got a tree on this side and a tree on this side. So it's more between the trees, okay? So use your glue, your tape, however you've decided that you're going to attach it. Find your sun, okay? Here's your sun. Okay. And there it is, between the trees. Oops, teacher did it backwards. I'm sorry, friends. Let me fix that really quick. All right. All right. There we go. All right. Number 2 says put the bird in the tree. Again, I'm going to ask, would this be in the tree? No. Okay. So if it's going to be in the tree, we know it's going to be up there, right? Somewhere? Yeah. Okay. Would you say this one is in the tree? No. How about this one? Is that in the tree? Good. So go ahead and again, use your glue or your tape, however you're going to do it, and put your bird in the tree. Okay. Your bird in the tree. All right, good job. Now the next one says put the bunny under the bench. Under the bench. Is this under the bench? No. How about this? Is this under the bench? Sure is. So you're going to go ahead and find your bunny, which is very cute. And there's the bunny. And again, however you're going to attach it, and put your bunny under the bench. Okay. All right. You should have 3 pictures left, and we have 3 boxes left. The next one says put the squirrel on the bench. Okay, on the bench. So is this on the bench? Nope. How about this one? Yeah. So go ahead, attach your bunny, or I'm sorry, attach the squirrel in the box on the bench. Good job. All right. The next one says put the flower next to the flower. Okay. Is this next to the flower? No. Is this next to the flower? Yes, good job. So again, we're going to put that flower next to the flower. Remember, friends, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video to catch up, okay? It's okay to do that. I know sometimes I work a little too fast, even in the classroom. So you just have to let me know, okay? Now, the last one says put the butterfly above the bushes. Well, look at this, my guys. There's our last box, okay? Above the bushes, okay? So there we are, okay? And if you haven't finished it yet, go ahead, pause the video and finish up, okay? All right, now, the next page you're going to need is the page that has the words ordinal numbers, okay? And I'm gonna put this right here behind me so that you know that we've done it, okay? You are going to need this page, okay? Now, we've worked on this, but never as a lesson before. We've talked a lot about first and second, third and fourth, okay? What you are going to do is you are going to get all of these colors. There's a lot, isn't there? Okay? And you are going to follow directions. Okay, so the first thing says color the third flower yellow. Okay, so you're going to get your yellow, and up on the top, you're going to color the third flower yellow. Okay, let's see, there's my third flower and I colored it yellow. Okay, now I want you to work on this on your own because I know that you can do it because I've seen you do it. Okay, remember we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, now I am leaving this right here so that if you want to pause your video to make sure you know those color words, you can. Okay, and this will be the last thing that you guys get to see today. Okay, so I want you to make sure you do all of these things that we've talked about today, and I will be back with new assignments tomorrow, another fun read aloud, and we'll even get to read more about the awesome Easter story. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.